Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn how to take an ID from my commit ID from the remote repository or the GitHub and see his details and update in local. So and to see that, let's take an ID. Let's go to the 6 commit and we will see all the ID of all those 6 commit. So now we will take one of those ID from the Git repository and we will see his detail in local. So now let's take the first commit, just initial commit. Let's take its code. Now it's copied. Now let's go. First of all, let's make me clear this. First of all, let's see if everything is okay with Git status. Hit enter. And we see that everything is fine. So now let's see what happened in that initial commit. We already copied the ID, so now let's write command git show and we passed this ID. Passed. Let's hit past. Let's make me copy it again. And here it is. So I will copy it from here. Copy this. Here just go back. Let's go again and hit git show, and after that past ID. Hit enter. And we will see all the details of that of what had happened in this commit. So it tells us that a file, it's called null, has been deleted and a new file is added. So basically everything with minus, that means it's deleted, and everything with plus, that means it's add. And also it adds all this in this file. I think in this commit when we add the website, I think. So and now to leave that, we hit Q and we will exit from the detail of the commit. To go and see the other commit, for example, we need just to copy its ID and hit the command git show, and after that ID as we put before, just like that. This command is very important if we are the chief of a team of developers. We need to see what they do, what they add, and what they delete. So this is all for this video. See you soon.